So for this banana bread, you will need 1 cup of garbanzo flour and half a cup of oat flour. Then for the other ingredients, you will need cinnamon, flaxseed, sea salt, baking soda, and baking powder. I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything up. While I mix everything else, I'm going to go ahead, take a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, put it into my milk, mix it around, and let it sit for about 2 minutes. Then I have 3 bananas mashed, and I'm going to go ahead and add that in right now to my dry mixture. 1/3 cup of date nectar. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This is a half a teaspoon, so I'm going to do 2 of those. Now the fun part, I get to mix everything together. It's starting to look like a masterpiece. I'm going to go ahead now and add my apple cider vinegar and coconut milk. And I'm going to continue to mix this until everything is well combined. So this is the consistency that we are going for, and we don't want to mix it too much, so I'm going to go ahead and pour it in my pan.